Hello dreamers, welcome back to my next video. Today we are going to see how to make egg toast, egg bread toast. So for that I have heated a pan and add 2 tablespoons of butter. So when the butter gets melted, I'm going to add finely chopped onion. So I have taken 2 large size onions. So I'm going to saute it until it gets golden. So now I'm going to add salt. So I'm adding for the egg also. So saute it until it gets soft and golden brown. So now I'm going to add the eggs. So I have added the eggs. If you need, you can add green chilies too. For the spice, I'm going to add pepper and chili flakes. So I have added both. I'm going to mix all together. So now I am going to chop them to make it in small sizes. So the egg scramble are big in size, so when I chop it will become small in size. So like this you should chop to make it small pieces. So now the mixture is ready. So I have taken 2 slices of bread and I am going to apply butter on each slices. You can add cheese on the bread. So now I have placed the scrambled egg in one slice of bread and I am going to keep the other slice on top of it and give a light press. So I have placed the bread on the toaster. The toaster is preheated. So now the 2 lights are being on. When it's ready, only the red light will be on. So now it's ready. We will open it. So it's crispy and it's been cooked in both sides. So likewise, I made all of them. So now we are going to make garlic bread. For that we need finely chopped garlic, parsley and butter. Instead of parsley you can take coriander leaf. I am going to mix all 3 together to make a fine paste. So now I will be adding salt and pepper. So now I'm going to mix all together. See how the paste has come out. Now I'll be applying this in the slices. So I have applied the paste onto the slice in both sides. I'm gonna bake it for 10 minutes in 200 C. So I finished baking. See how crispy it is. So try this at home and leave your comment down below. Bye dreamers.